So good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my students and my viewers. Today is Tuesday and we are back with our 5 words with the letter D. So let us begin. The first word for today is delectable. It is delectable. D-E-L-E-C-T-A-B-L-E. Now this means pleasing or delightful to your taste and other senses. It comes from the Latin word delectia, which means again delight, and then further on it translates into delectable. We can take examples. For example, the food I found in that restaurant was delectable. I found it very delicious. I found it very tasty. I found it very delightful to my taste buds. So understood? Okay, second example we can take. The chocolates which she made at home was delectable. Okay, so it was very pleasing to the taste. The second word for today is delusion. Delusion. Now this word you have heard a lot of time. It's not delusion, it's delusion. Delusion. Now this word means having a belief that is not true. A belief that something is true but which is not actually true. Okay, believing something which is false to be true. That is delusion. It comes from the word deludere, which then translates into delusion. Now deludere, delude means to again believing something which is not true and you are believing it to be true. That is delude. As example, we can say she is under the delusion that she is going to come first in the class. उसको ऐसा लग रहा था, भ्रम जिसको बोलते हैं, that she is going to come first in the class. Delusion. So another example we could take, being in delusion is one of the reasons why people fail to understand or think logically, because a person, if he or she believes that this is true which is not in reality, तो उसका जो सोचने का तरीका है वो बिल्कुल ब्लॉक हो चुका है. सो वो लॉजिकली कभी नहीं सोच सकता है, लॉजिकली कभी समझ नहीं सकता है, बिकॉज वो उस चीज को सच मान रहा है जो कि सच है ही नहीं. दैट इज डिल्यूजन. नाउ बहुत लोग के जहन में एक वर्ड आ रहा होगा, इल्यूजन. इल्यूजन. नाउ दिस वर्ड मीन्स again it means the same thing, believing something which is not true, but there is a thin line of difference between delusion and illusion, which is illusion limits itself to mind. That is, तुमको लगा कि कोई बगल से पार हुआ पर कोई नहीं था, वो वहां पर you cannot use delusion. You will just say I had an illusion that somebody was knocking at the door. हमको ऐसा लगा कोई दरवाजा खटखटा रहा था. That is again illusion means believing something or believing a concept or anything which is wrong, which is misinterpreted. वो mind तक limited रहता है. On the other hand, delusion जो आज हम लोग का word है, that relates to belief, that expands itself to belief. What you believe in वो होता है delusion. For example, you believe that this person is completely correct, ये कभी गलत कर ही नहीं सकता है, but reality में वो गलत करते आ रहा है, then you are in delusion. You are not in illusion. Illusion तुमको होता है कि कोई बगल से पार हुआ, कि तुमको लगा कि अचानक से कोई दरवाजा खटखटाया या किसी को तुम देखी जो कि वहां नहीं था. That is illusion related to mind. Delusion related to belief. All right? Okay. So the third word for today is depreciate. Depreciate. D-E-P-R-E-C-I-A-T-E. Now it is opposite or antonym of the word appreciate. Now appreciate means to praise someone or to increase the value of someone by saying good things about that person. That is appreciate. Now you can all understand, clever enough, what depreciate could mean. It means again, जो appreciate mean करता है उसका opposite, that is lessen the worth of something. कोई भी चीज का वैल्यू को घटाना उसको depreciate बोलते हैं. Again D है appreciate. So it comes from the Latin word de, which is again taking down, de, उस चीज को अलग करना. Pretium, which means price or value. तो कोई भी value या कोई भी price को नीचे ले जाना, that is was the original meaning. Depreciate, जो word Latin शुरू हुआ था, then it translated into proper English, depreciate, which means to lessen the value or worth of something. Examples we could take. The new model of cars has depreciated heavily in these 3 months. In these 3 months of lockdown, if any model was just introduced, was launched, and then the lockdown happened, the price of it was heavily reduced. Why? Because people are having again shortage of money and everything. Another topic, so I won't go in detail there. So depreciate, उसका value कम हो गया, उसका पैसा कम हो गया, उसका या value कम हो गया. Another example we could take. We should not depreciate anybody on the basis of their grades or on the basis of their marks. किसी भी इंसान का importance या value हम लोग उसके grades को देख के या उसके marks को देख के कम नहीं कर सकते हैं. Alright, the fourth word for today is dilemma or dilemma. That again, just like dauntless or dauntless, the two pronunciation, we can also pronounce this word D-I-L-E-M-M-A as dilemma or dilemma. Okay, you can pronounce it either way. Now British generally they pronounce it as dilemma. Dilemma is also, again, it's not incorrect. Now this means a situation where you have to make a difficult choice between two things, two of your most liked things. You have to make a choice in between those two things. That is dilemma. A difficult situation जहाँ तुमको दो के बीच चुनना है, दो चीज के बीच, दो जन के बीच, दो situation के बीच, whatever. That is dilemma. Di means two, lemma means premise. Premise का मतलब होता है area. तो जो दो एरिया के बीच में फंसा होता है उसको, वो सिचुएशन को क्या बोलते हैं? डायलेमा. Tenses we could take. Her dilemma was she could not choose between these two subjects for her future studies. उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कौन सा दो सब्जेक्ट में सिलेक्शन करे. Second example, her continuous efforts to impress the two parties in the meeting showed her dilemma because she was trapped. उधर impress करे या इधर impress करे. So it was showing her dilemma. Alright, the fifth word, the last word for today is a very beautiful word, didactic. Didactic. D-I-D-A-C-T-I-C. Just like dilemma, just the similar way, didactic. Now, this means teaching someone with a moral intention, particularly a moral intention. Teaching someone but with a moral purpose. That is didactic. Moral values जुड़ा होगा उस पढ़ाने के तरीके में या समझाने के तरीके में. That is didactic. It comes from the Greek word didaskein, which means to teach, and then it translates into didactic. Examples we could take. In order to make movies entertaining, people have lost to serve the didactic purpose. As in, they are not making much movies which have this moral lesson. It is entertaining, but the moral values are completely taking the back seat. Alright, second example we could take. The teacher taught in a didactic manner in order to make her or his students a good human being. The way she taught or he taught, he or she also had this moral touch to it, a moral intention to it, the way he or she was teaching, because of which the students would become good human beings. Alright, so the 5 words for today: delectable, delusion, depreciate, dilemma, and didactic. So these are the 5 words for today. I hope you all are learning, and the initiative is serving the purpose, the didactic purpose as well. And we'll meet again tomorrow with our 5 words with the letter D. So keep learning, stay safe, be happy, and thank you.